Hello, happy new year. It's better late than never. So this is my first time uploading here this year. Due to one or two personal reasons, I've not been able to upload on those places this year. But I am here now. I miss you guys, and to my new subscribers, I appreciate you guys so much. You are welcome. Thank you so much. God bless you all. If you are just coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Julian Ike, and on this channel I talk about skincare tips, natural health remedy tips, and sex and relationship tips. So if you are interested in any of these topics, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button, and it's free now. It's free. Please click on that subscribe button, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any of my video whenever I upload new video. And also remember to click the like button, please, and support me, and support me now. And as you do so, God bless you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Today I'll be sharing a secret on how you can take care of your VJ. And when I say VJ, you know I'm talking about vagina. How you can take care of your VJ so that you will be able to keep your relationship. No woman will come in between your relationship. There will not be any side chick that will be a threat to your marriage, to your relationship. So, and if you are a single girl here, please don't go and use this recipe on any married man. Don't go and destroy somebody's home with this. Get your own and use it on him, okay? Because if you use it on any married man, it won't work. So this is for your own relationship, for a married women, and also for single ladies that have relationship. So keep your man to yourself. Except you don't love that guy, except you don't love that man, then this is not for you. But if you really do love him and you don't want to lose him, this video is for you, and make sure you watch it from the beginning to the end. So let's get started. So in here, in this bowl, I have hot water, very boiled hot water. Okay, this is what we'll be needing for today's recipe. I have hot water in this video, and right here I have alum. I know some people will be like, is it healthy? And that place, is it? Don't worry, I will not share something that will be harmful to you people. So the best way to dissolve alum for your safety is to throw it into a very hot water. Okay, allow it to dissolve. So now the alum is here. We are going to allow it to dissolve into this hot water before we continue to the next step. Like I said, make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end because it's going to be hot. So our alum is here. We are waiting for it to dissolve. You can see kind of label. That is just the label of the bowl. Is a stamp of the bowl, so it's not any additional thing. The only additional thing I have into this hot water right here for now is just alum. For now, that's only alum, and I am waiting for it to dissolve so that we can move to the next step. To dissolve your alum, the water has to be very hot. If it's a cold water, it will take ages before it will dissolve, but to make it faster, the water has to be hot. So here is the water. It's now looking lukewarm. The alum has been well dissolved. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, so the alum has been well dissolved. Now that the alum has dissolved, what's next is to be done. So like for example, this water here is much. So when you, after dissolving your alum, you can take away the one you want to use at that moment. Then when you take the one you want to use at that moment, you take the remaining ones and put it in a container that you can use next time, because you don't have to wait to boil water start dissolving. You can keep it in a bottle or any safer place, so that when you want to use it to go there. So you take the portion. So let's assume now, for example, I don't have a smaller bowl close to me here. So for example, let's assume now that this is the one that you want to use immediately. So what do you need to do? You take original honey. Please make sure it's pure. Make sure it's pure original honey. Take original honey, just a little drop, a little drop. Put it into the water. Add it into the water, that the portion you took out from the bowl. Mix it. Then you get coconut oil. Use my coconut oil. Take a little portion as well. Take a little portion, add the coconut oil. Mix it. After mixing it, and use it to wash your video. What this does is that the alum will help it tighten up very well, to make it look firm. Because when a woman's body, when your VJ is not firm, your spouse will not enjoy sex. And it doesn't have to be over firm. But if there are some people that their body is naturally firm, so if your body is naturally firm, you don't really need alum. You can just get a warm water, take a little drop of honey and add into it. Take a little drop of coconut oil, add it into it, and use it to wash your VJ. This will help. The honey and the coconut oil will help it to look, will make it to look moisturized, give it a very healthy smell, give it a very healthy feeling. Like feeling, we all know how sweet honey is. Well, if you are in Nigeria, you know when they talk about kaya mata, you cannot talk about kaya mata without talking about honey. So honey is very, very good, and use it. Just come later. When you use it, come and give me a feedback. I am here now. With this, you will keep your spouse to yourself. With this, you will thank me. If you want to tighten your VJ, you add the alum water. Use alum water with it. But if you just want to achieve only sweetness, use the coconut oil and the honey into the warm water and use it to wash it. Then go and have sex. Come back and thank me. Come back and thank me. So if you find this video interesting and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for now? Don't you like what I'm doing? Support me. Click the subscribe button, please. Support me now. Click the subscribe button. It's free. It's free. Just subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get to see my videos anytime I upload new video. And also give this video a thumb up. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumb up. Thank you for watching.